I'm working on multiple things today. One is trying to get the AC compressor clutch and bearing off. You can see I'm draining coolant, but that doesn't have to do, well, it's all one big problem, but that's unrelated to this particular portion of the job. So first thing, got my car jacked up, took the wheel off, and now I got to get this underskirting off as well. So there's just a number of clips, these little plastic clips that need to come off. That one, and then they're all around the perimeter here. You can see mine's pretty messed up. It's missing a lot of those clips, but there's a couple screws on that side. One missing there, another's missing there. So you can see why that might have been dangling down into the tire. So yeah, undo all of those clips and this should come right off. So I removed the underskirting all along in here, as well as the reservoir for the window washing fluid, which you can find here in this video. And now it's to take off the this bolt on the AC compressor clutch. And I'm going to cheat and use my impact because it will be much quicker for me. And that was very quick. Alright, got a single bolt. I had a major failure this morning. I'd been hearing some loud, nasty squeaking. And I was pretty sure it was the water pump. I am pretty convinced it's my water pump. But feeling the different pulleys, the water pump and this one had a little bit of play to it. I don't know if you can see that. Hear it maybe. Yeah, so it's got a little bit of play. And this morning I took it out. Right as I was pulling back in, I hear this loud bang and kind of a tearing, crunching noise. And my car stops. So I pull it in. And the battery light is on, the power steering's not working, and when I get it in, the belt is torn to shreds, and the pulley from my water pump is completely broken off, which is hanging right here. So I think these two components probably were interfering with each other. One of them started to wear and the other vibration from one affected the other. I'm not totally sure, but we'll see. Okay, so I got a little spacer here. You got to be careful for these spacers. You got these snap ring pliers, which I've never used, so oh joy. There we go. There we go. I'm having issues getting this thing off, so I'm going to put a little bit of WD-40 around that bearing, or around that spot there. Hoping it will penetrate. Let this thing loose a little bit. Probably need some puller tool that I don't have. This tool from AutoZone, this AC clutch pulley puller, it was a little bit too big to fit for this this pulley. If this weren't there, if this was sunken in a little bit, recessed, it would have worked. But thankfully I was able to get it out by hand. So after I put some WD-40 on this on the inside and I was able to pull it off, I was trying to pull it from this side, use a pry bar and stuff, and it wasn't working too well. WD-40, let it sit there for a little while, and then I reached my hand around. There's kind of a column that sits right here. I was able to reach my hand around, and with an even distributed load, pull it off. You have to pull it off straight. The thing that I think is wrong, somehow this got bent. This pulley got bent. And I'm going to see if I can show you. You can see it kind of rocking. Yeah. So that, I believe, is the issue. That is the source of all the vibration, and it probably translated to the water pump, which eventually destroyed the water pump. I scoured the internet looking for just the pulley, and I didn't come up with anything. The only thing that would have possibly worked, I found on Pick and Pull. It was like $35 or something for the compressor clutch set. So I would have gotten both these pieces for $35. I actually bought one from a salvage 2003 Accord, just like mine. And this was $75 with $25 shipping from Texas. So more than I wanted to spend. Definitely more than I wanted to spend, but a lot cheaper than it would have been to buy it new or just this clutch set from anywhere else. Right, again, 10 millimeter. And it comes right out. Now it's time to install the new clutch pulley, clutch and pulley. New used. New to me. All right. Okay. Just gotta make sure that sits in the groove. Put the clutch plate back on. I've already got the spacer on there. Make sure it's flat. And the 10 millimeter bolt.